Good morning everyone. My name is Hari Sunika. Today I'm with my group mates Dizzy Waleng, Jemari Habon, and Israel Tigiing. For today, we're going to talk about our project proposal, which is sanitary landfill. And what makes it more special, it has hydraulic press technology and biogas recovery system. Waste management is growing environmental problem due to increasing garbage in our community or our communities. To address this issue, our project proposes building a sanitary landfill in Maligligay, Adams, Ilocos Norte with a hydraulic press system to compress waste and a biogas recovery system to recover biodegradable waste into renewable energy, helping a greater and cleaner and more sustainable community. Dito sa Adams, nag-grow or marami ang mga basura. That's why naisipan namin gumawa ng proyekto na magpatayo ng sanitary landfill. Dito sa Adams, meron namang sanitary landfill ngunit na nabigyan ito ng law na hindi maaaring magpatayo sa rubber stick. That's why gumawa ulit kami ng proyekto na magpatayo ng sanitary landfill sa Maligligay, Adams, Ilocos Norte. Ang sanitary landfill na proyekto namin ay mayroong hydraulic press system kung saan ang mga basura ay makukompress at magiging maliit lamang ito. At meron din kaming biogas recovery system kung saan ang mga waste or scraps or iba pang mga basura ay pwede namin itong gawin at i-convert na maging renewable energy. Ang mga ito ay nakakatulong. Ang aming proyekto ay nakakatulong na gumawa ng magawa ng cleaner and more sustainable community.
What is sanitary landfill? A sanitary landfill is a specially designed waste disposal site where solid waste is safely managed to minimize environmental and health hazards. It used to engineered linear to prevent soil and water contamination, compacts trash to save space, cover waste regularly to reduce odor and pests, and collects leachate and landfill gases like methane, which can be converted into renewable energy. Unlike open dumps, a sanitary landfill ensures controlled, hygienic, and environmentally responsible disposal of municipal solid waste. Ano nga ba ang sanitary landfill? Ito ay isang kontrolado at ligtas na tapunan ng basura na may proteksyon para hindi makontamina ang lupa at tubig. Pinipiga at tinatakpan ang basurahan upang mabawasan ang pangangamoy at pest. Inikolekta ang likido at gas para gawing isang enerhiya. Ito ay mas ligtas at mas maayos kaysa sa ordinaryong tapunan ng basura.
In general objectives, is to improve waste management here in Adams, Ilocos Norte. To make it specific, promote proper waste segregation, to reduce waste volume with hydraulic press, to convert methane into renewable energy, to minimize pollution and improve sanitation, and lastly, to raise environmental awareness.
Executive Summary. Sanitary landfill in Maligligay, Adams, Ilocos Norte features waste segregation, hydraulic pressing to reduce volume, biogas recovery from biodegradable waste, goals, improve waste disposal, reduce pollution, promote clean environment. Yan po ay matatalakay natin sa susunod na mga slides.
Problem statement. Increasing waste management challenges due to limited waste disposal facilities and improper garbage disposal practices. This problem lead to environmental pollution, health risk to the community, and contamination of land and water resources. Tulad ng sinabi ni Desiree, dito sa Adams ay rumarami ng mga basura dahil sa kakulangan ng sapat na pasilidad at hindi tamang pagtatapon ng mga basura ang siyang nagdudulot ng suliranin tulad ng pagkasira ng ating kapaligiran, panganib sa ating kalusugan at pagkasira ng ating lupa at mga tubig.
Supporting facts. The Philippines is projected to generate 23.6 million metric tons of solid waste by 2025. Around 61,000 to 62,000 tons of waste are produced every day nationwide. Many communities still lack proper waste collection and disposal facilities. As a result, illegal dump sites continue to increase, causing environmental pollution and health risks. So yun po, ganito po karami ang ating nag-generate dito sa Pilipinas. Yan po, 23.6 million metric tons of solid waste in this year, in the year 2025. At 61 to 62,000 tons of waste naman ang naproproduce nationwide. Ngunit maraming mga communities ang hindi pa alam kung ano ang proper waste collection and disposal at kung paano mag-dispose. Kaya ang resulta, maraming mga illegal dump sites ang nagko-continue sa pagtaas na dahilan upang magkaroon ng mga pollution at mga health risks.
Key outcomes: reduce waste volume through proper segregation and hydraulic pressing, renewable energy production by converting biodegradable waste into biogas, improve public health and sanitation by reducing pollution and improper waste disposal, greater community participation and awareness in responsible waste management and environmental protection.
So in our project background, Adams Ilocos Norte is experiencing increasing solid waste management problems due to limited disposal facilities. These issues led to foul odors, environmental pollution, health risks, and methane gas emission. That's why we propose a solution in establishing a sanitary landfill with hydraulic pressing and biogas recovery system to manage waste efficiently and produce renewable energy. So, just like I said, Adams is experiencing increasing solid waste management, and these issues led to foul odors, mabaho, then mabaho yung environment natin, like dito sa surroundings, and environmental pollution, health risks, ating kalusugan, pwedeng nakakalit ito ng risk, tapos may methane gas emission. And that's why we established the sanitary landfill. Nag-establish kami o gumawa kami ng proyekto na gumawa ng sanitary landfill with hydraulic pressing to compress para mapaliit yung mga basura. Yung mga volume, liliit ito. Tapos yung biogas recovery system. Makakatulong ang biogas recovery system sa methane gas emission. Like yung mga carbon dioxide or yung methane gas, pwedeng gawin natin na pwedeng i-convert natin at makapag-produce ng renewable energy. So let's proceed to the scope of the project. It covers the landfill construction, hydraulic pressing equipment, biogas recovery system, waste sorting station, and community training and education.
Methodology: 1. Site preparation. 2. Landfill lining and drainage. 3. Hydraulic press installation. 5. Biogas system construction. 5. Waste storing station. 6. Community training. 7. Operational management. 8. Monitoring and evaluation. Ang metodolohyang ito ay binubuo ng paghahanda ng lugar at paglalagay ng proteksyon at sistema para maiwasan ang pollution, pag-install ng mga kagamitan at pagsasanay sa komunidad. Kasama rin ang maayos na pamamahala at patuloy-tuloy na pagmamana upang matiyak na ligtas at epektibo ang sanitary landfill.
So let's explain what is biogas. So, a biogas is a renewable energy gas produced when organic waste such as food scraps or plant material decomposes without oxygen through anaerobic digestion. It mainly consists of methane and carbon dioxide and can be used for cooking, heating, or generating electricity. Biogas reduces greenhouse gas emission and provide a sustainable energy source and help manage organic waste efficiently. So, ang biogas, ano nga ba ang biogas? So, ang biogas ay kung saan yung mga waste or yung mga food crops or plant material ay nagde-decompose. Like, sila ay nagde-decompose sa isang lugar na walang oxygen through anaerobic digestion, which is nagre-create siya ng carbon dioxide or methane gas, which is yung carbon dioxide at methane gas ay gagamitin para sa ito yung maiko-convert at gagamitin para magiging energy for cooking, heating, or generating electricity.
At alam niyo ba, dahil sa gera ay tumataas na ang mga presyo ng langis tulad ng ginagamit sa gasolina, ang mga ginagamit natin tulad ng LPG, tumataas na dahil sa gera at yun nga, wala tayo at yun ay nagre-rely sa mga fossil fuels na nagkakos ng carbon dioxide. Ngunit ito ay instead of fossil fuels, ito ay umaasa sa mga
Methane gas and carbon dioxide.
na mula sa mga food scraps or plant material na nagde-decompose. At mas mura lang ito. Kaya at hindi rin nakakasira sa environment.
So next one is hydraulic press. A hydraulic press is a machine that uses hydraulic pressure to compress and compact materials. In waste management, it used to reduce volume of solid waste, making it easier to store, transport, and manage in landfill. By compressing trash, a hydraulic press maximizes landfill space, minimize environmental impact, and improve efficiency in waste disposal operation. So, ang hydraulic press naman ay kung saan di ba yung mga basura pag hindi sila nako-compress, malaki yung volume. That's why we have hydraulic press to compact or compress yung mga basura. That's why napapaliit yung mga basura.
Tulad po ng sinabi niya na ang hydraulic press ay pinapaliit ang mga basura maaari itong gamitin ibenta sa mga plastic manufacturers at mga plastic industries para magamit ulit instead of itatapon lang doon.
The location will be located in Maligligay, Adams, Ilocos Norte, a strategic site chosen to establish the sanitary landfill. This location allows for proper waste management in the municipality, provide enough space for landfill operations, and ensures that hydraulic pressing and biogas recovery system can be effectively implemented to benefit the community. Sa ating pagpapatayo ng isang sanitary landfill sa Maligligay, Adams, Ilocos Norte, ay mahalagang dapat malayo sa kabahayan, may stable na lupa at higit sa lahat malayo sa mga tubig para maiwasan ang water pollution.
Budget summary. Land acquisition, 25 million pesos. Site preparation, 8 million pesos. Landfill lining, 15 million pesos. Hydraulic press, 12 million pesos. Biogas system, 15 million pesos. Waste sorting and MRF, 6 million pesos. Heavy equipment, 10 million pesos. Admin and operations, 4 million pesos. Community training, 1,500 million pesos. Operational expenses, 2,500 million pesos. Contingency, 1 million pesos. Total estimated cost, 100 million pesos.
So lastly, in our conclusion, So, supporting this project means investing a cleaner, healthier, and more sustainable future for Adams Ilocos Norte. That's why we need your help, sir. And the proposed sanitary landfill with hydraulic pressing and biogas recovery will help solve the community's growing waste problem by reducing waste volume and converting biodegradable waste into renewable energy. With your support, this project will reduce environmental pollution, improve public health, and promote responsible waste management, while also serving a model for sustainable development in other communities. So, sir,